Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 560 gaming OC 2G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. Then click on the product. You can see click on model number. And then click on support. Select the operating system Windows 10, 11, 7. All operating system installations process same. So this is your driver MD, and this is version, this is size, this is date, and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it will take some time for it to complete, and after that it is completed, then click three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more, and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time, and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.